Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlogs. So we're here today, one of our clients here in Harper Avenue in Los Angeles. So I just wanted to share with you guys. We've been cleaning her apartments for so many times, years. She's become our regular clients. But every time we come here to clean her apartment, every time we come here, guys, so dirty, and I feel so sad for her. And I'm here inside the bathroom. This is her apartment. Her apartment is falling apart. It's old. That's her shower. That's the top. So I haven't started cleaning here yet, so just want to show you around what it looks like before we clean this place. And this is the sink. I put some soap scrub on the sink, and this is the toilet. Look at that, how dirty it is. And she has a sack of dog food here, and this is the stuff cluttered. And I'm gonna walk through to the bedroom. This is like a one studio, and that's my cleaning supply. And here is the doorway, the front door. And look at this, guys. My gulay, this is a lot of dog hair. She has a big dog inside the apartment. Look at this, guys. And now she has the exercise machine inside her room. And this is the living room, and that's her bed. Look at that. Every time I come here, so foggy. Look at the here around the book area. Look at this. Grabby, guys, super dirty. Ang dami here. And this is her bed. This unbelievable. Grabby talaga, guys. Super dirty every time we come here. And here's the dog inside the studio. Now she's bought a machine in her room to do exercising. Bed's dog, the TV, the computer, lots of hair on the floor. And here's from Samson. Samson, there's Samson inside a cage by herself, by himself. Oh boy, look at that. Here, she has a big dog in here, and how it's so dirty. That's the doorway, the front door. Now I'll take you to the kitchen. There's the kitchen. Dog food. That one. I don't know how we're gonna clean that ceiling fan. It's just so dirty and old. We try our best to clean that, but this is crazy. That's the trash. And that's the kitchen. She has a lot of trash in the sink. I think it's clogging. Is it clogging? No. This is crazy. She's like hoarders. Ay. Alright, guys. So we just wanna start cleaning now, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi guys, so after 1 hour, is it 1 hour and a half? So this is what it looks like. After we clean this unit. So the bathroom is, see, before the bathroom was really dirty. The toilet bowl was really dirty. Now it's done. The sink is clean, and the tub, this one is a lot better now. It's cleaner. But this apartment again, guys, it's old. See, they need to paint the wall, but everything is clean here. Oh, that's crazy, guys. Lots of hair. There's the floor. More here. More here on the floor. Dogs here. So everything's good here. The carpet looks clean. It was really dirty. There's a lot of dogs here, thick. We cleaned the vacuum many times. And dust over here. Fix her bed. That's crazy. So it's just a studio. She's living by herself. And again, every time we clean her place, and super dirty and lots of big dogs here. Samson, bye Samson. Say goodbye to Samson. He's a big dog. Samson, Samson, say hi. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. That we're done here. We're gonna go to the kitchen, and the kitchen's here. We try what we can to clean everything here. But if we're gonna super deeply, we're gonna be here hours and hours. So everything's good, no more dishes. Everything looks good in here. Kitchen, floor, no more here. So after a few days, it's gonna be dirty here again. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys around.